Hey everybody, my name is Kanika Tolver, and today I want to talk about finding free classes on Udemy. Udemy is an online platform that a lot of people are aware of and a lot of people may not be aware of. But during this coronavirus outbreak, I think since we're shut down and we're at home and we have a lot more time on our hands and we're watching Netflix and we're on social media, I think it's a good time for us to take an opportunity to do some online free classes. Some of us are at home and we want to learn a new skill set. Some of us may be unemployed or may don't have a whole lot of money, and you guys, there's so many free options online, and I want to share with you Udemy and their free class options online. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to check out some of the free classes. So we're going to go to Udemy. So this is udemy.com, and this is where you would come to the homepage. I want to show you the categories. These are all of the amazing categories that they have online for you to find free classes, or you can find some paid classes if you want to. But today we're talking about free. So a lot of you guys have been inboxing me about finding free classes or finding classes online to learn Python. So today we're going to walk through finding free Python programming classes. So I'm going to come up to the search and I'm going to type Python. Python comes up. Then, this is going to come back with some paid classes, but we're going to go to all filters right here. And we're going to select free. So this is how you find the free classes, by coming to the all filters. We're going to hit the apply button right here. And these are all the free classes that came up for Python. Introduction to Python, you have deep learning, you have Python Core Advanced. If we scroll down, there are more classes here that are free. Python for beginners to intermediate. This class is really short, an hour and a half. There are a lot of great classes online for free, guys, that you can take advantage of that are only going to, couple of hours of your time. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I know that you may not have the money or you may not want to spend the money, but there are a lot of amazing opportunities right here on udemy.com. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because a lot of you guys are watching Netflix, on social media, on the phone with your friends, or just chilling, and you're bored right now. But I don't want you guys to get bored. I want you guys to take this opportunity to advance your skill sets, to learn for free. Wow, you can learn for free. So I want you guys to check out udemy.com for those free classes, apply those filters, check the free checkbox, and enroll in some of those classes right now. If you have any other questions, comment down below and I'll answer your questions. And I just want you guys to, enjoy this great tip and to continue learning, continue building your brand, even though we're going through this tough time during the shutdown. So I appreciate your time and have a good day.